Homdox Pressure Washer 2950 SI Power Washer Cleaner 1800W 1.7 with Power Hose Gun Turbo Wand Electric Pressure Washer High Power Washer Cleaner Machine with 5 nozzle. Portable design and powerful motor. 1800-watt motor generates up to 2850 psi 1.7 GPM for maximum cleaning power and the water inlet temperature, max 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Pump up to 1.45 gallons per minuto. Get really clean really fast. 5 nozzles options. 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees and soap. Tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. 0 degrees, areas that are high and hard to reach. Clean crevices in sidewalks or driveways. 15 degrees, use on concrete, brick and other hard surfaces with stubborn stains. 25 degrees, use on painted surfaces, wood siding, fences and lawn mowers. 40 degrees, use on windows and screens. Soap used to spray soaps and detergents. TSS, Total Stop System. Power washer features safety automatic total stop system, TSS, which automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Power washer provides 16.545 meters power cord for use on all exterior outlets. Easy to assemble and widely used, the high-quality copper connections are easily joined to hose and nozzle for quick, effortless hookup, water no leak. And our high-pressure washer for all type of vehicles: cars, SUVs, ATVs, boats, RVs and homes, driveways, decks and decks. Easily gets rid of dirt, grime, gunk, oil, rust, mildew, and so on. It has outdoor cleaning power to make quick cleaning jobs. Upgraded high-pressure hose reel. The power washer has a built-in pressurized hose reel to conveniently protect and store the 20-foot high-pressure hose. This feature makes winding and unwinding the hose even easier, helping to prevent kinks in the hose. The wheeled upright trolley makes moving the pressure washer easy and safe. If have any questions, please contact with our. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.